Hey everyone, this is Jose from Plastilin. Today, for my first video, I'm gonna be sculpting a cute character in Nomad Sculpt. First, at the background tab, I'm gonna import a reference image. I'm gonna use the X and Y positions to put it on the top left corner. And then I'm gonna choose a solid color. And I'm gonna make sure that my camera is in orthographic mode. To block out the shapes, I'm gonna use a sphere. Pressing the three dots, I'm gonna reduce the boss subdivisions to 3. Then I'm gonna validate it. Doing that, you make sure that your mesh is not too dense, so you have more control. Then I'm gonna add a tube, and I'm gonna use the gizmo to rotate it and move it to the position. I'm gonna reduce the radius of the whole tube, and I'm gonna just put it in place. I use the snap tool with a 10 degrees increment so I have more control of the rotations. Now I'm gonna tap the radius so I can manipulate each one independently. Then I'm gonna press the mirror button so I have the two arms of our creature. And I'm gonna reduce the X divisions again so we have more control of the basic shape we're making. Reduce the Y division and increasing the boss subdivisions will make it a little bit softer on the edges. Now we're getting closer to the shape we have in our reference. Keep tweaking here and there, and with another tube added to the same mirror, we're gonna build the rough shape of the legs. Using the same principles we use for the arms, we're gonna be increasing the radius where you see feet to make it connect to the body. And again, reducing the X and Y divisions, and then increasing the boss subdivisions so we get a softer, more rounded shape. Now that everything has been validated, we're gonna go for the sphere and we're gonna use the move tool to tweak it around and getting closer to the final shape. If we had a denser mesh like the regular sphere, it would be harder. We're gonna be rotating our basic shapes so we can tweak here and there to get an overall shape that is closer to the reference we have. Same with the arms. This time I used the gizmo tool to start refining the shape, making it wider. We're gonna take the mirror and join them, and also join it with the sphere, and then we are gonna rematch it with a resolution of around 67. So we still have a low resolution mesh, and we're gonna start refining it with the use of the smooth tool. We're gonna smooth it out. With the move tool, we're gonna move wherever you see fit, so we get closer to the reference. I'm gonna be masking the arms of the creature, and I'm gonna invert it and blur it. Let's refine the mask. We want to be able to control only the arms, so we can shape it accordingly from every angle. And it's starting to look very, very close to what the final product will be. Now, using the crease tool, we're going to be separating all the parts of the body, defining where the arms and the legs go. We're going to define better the shapes. Let's rematch it again at a resolution of around 127, 130. To add the details, I'm gonna add a sphere and I'm gonna mirror it. And with a tube, we're gonna do the mouth shape. Again, use the mirror, so we're only working on one side and getting the same on the other one. Let's put it in place where it needs to go. And add another control point so we can make it more round. Now that it's looking closer, let's go to the three dots and reduce the topology. And adding post subdivisions, we get a little bit of a softer look. Now we're gonna join the mirror and rematch it so we can smooth it out. And get the shape closer to the final look. For the final adjustments, we're gonna separate the legs from the body a little bit more with the crease tool. and make the arms division more clear. Let's inflate the legs. I'm going to duplicate the details object. Let's separate the eyes from the mouth by masking it and cutting it. And give every shape their names. And there you have it, a simple cute sculpt made in Nomad Sculpt. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to sculpt next. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.